Hi everyone, welcome to Lee's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make another version of dumpling called Jade Dumpling. The name comes from the color of the wrap. They are green and white, like the stone. Also, the jade represents wealth in Chinese. Let's get started. The first, I'm going to use the spinach as a natural green color. The spinach had been washed. Now I'm going to put it into the boiling water for 30 seconds. Put the spinach into the grinder and a little bit of water. Now I'm going to make the dough. The first is a white dough. 300 grams all-purpose flour, 1 gram of salt, 150 grams of room temperature water. Slowly pour the water into the flour. Okay, it don't need to be very smooth, just leave it aside. And now we are going to making the green dough. Also 300 grams all-purpose flour and 1 gram salt, 150 grams of spinach juice. Make the dough same as the white. I made the two dough and I'm going to put it aside for half hour and cover with a damp towel. Let it rest for half hour. And in the meantime, I'm going to making the filling. If you're interested to know how to make the filling, you can watch my previous video, homemade dumpling. I will put the link below. It had been half hour. Now we're going to knead the dough. It's much pliable. The dough had been resting for an hour. Now it's ready to make the wrap. We don't need to knead, just cut it into half. So it's easy to work with. The white one, just make into a long log. The green one, make it into a right angle shape. Make them the same line. On the side, make it a little thinner. Cover the white dough with the green dough. Wrap it up. Cut into even pieces, each of them about 12 grams. Now I'm going to roll in the wrap. So the right hand push, the left hand turn, and make it thinner outside. So the right hand push, left turn, turn. Now we're going to make the dumpling now. Put the filling in the middle. Use 2 hands to squish. Make sure the sides are sealed very well. water is boiling. Now we can put the dumpling into the water. Now cover with the lid, let it boiling again. After 1 minute, it started boiling again. And now we're going to put a half cup of cold water. And this time we leave it open. It's boiling again. And now I put another half cup of water and cover with the lid. After 1 minute, it's boiling again. This is the last time I'm going to put it into water because the dumplings are big today. So I gave 3 times of water to make sure it's fully cooked. It took about 6 to 7 minutes totally to cook the dumpling. After 7 minutes, it's cooked. Now I'm going to get the dumpling out the pot. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, leave a comment below and please subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.